The world of machine tools is changing. It has become more global and transcends borders. This progress makes our lives easier, offers new freedom, and presents unique opportunities through innovative technologies. We can already experience the future today and achieve almost any goal by turning challenges into results. Together with our clients, we develop streamlined processes, share experience, and achieve individual solutions that moves us forward. Together, innovative, and global. Inspire groundbreaking ideas. And set new standards. That's how we increase productivity and improve efficiency. A worldwide presence provides the foundation for first-class service and the decisive advantage in international markets. Identify potential, reduce costs, increase competitiveness. We have the power to renew energy and to advance sustainability.